Why does natural hair have more problems than my group chat? So I tried fixing 15 of the most common natural hair problems, because one of these problems, you're still doing it. And some of these solutions shocked me. If your natural hair has been stressing you out, I promise, most of the time, it's not your hair. It's just tiny routine tweaks that can make your life so much easier. Once I fixed these, my wash days got way less dramatic. Ones that will make you question your whole routine. Let's get into the chaos. Problem number 1, detangling dry hair. First of all, who told us it was okay to do this? This is not detangling. This is character development and a headache waiting to happen. The solution, always detangle on wet hair, preferably in the shower, unless you want an afro, of course, with some conditioner or deep conditioner. You'll also want to work in sections. Try using the unbrush to detangle your hair. Usually I promote, products, but I promise you, detangling has never been easier for my type of hair. In the shower, from something that took me 5-10 minutes, it now takes me 2 to 3 minutes to detangle my whole head. My shedding went from call the police to, this is pleasant. Problem number 2, products just aren't working for your hair. Be honest. How many of us have blamed the product for my hair turning out this way, when actually who is the problem? Me. So the solutions are: apply on wet enough hair. Emulsify the product in your hands. Don't just slap it on. Activate it and use less than you think. If your product does not absorb into your hair was too dry. Problem number 3, your curls look good wet, but terrible when it dries. You ever style in and think, wow, and then it dries and it humbles you. Like, what happened here? Solution, add stronghold gel. You're adding your moisture, but you're not adding the compound that will hold it together. Don't touch your hair while it's drying. And diffuse or air dry fully. Make sure it's properly dry before you start manipulating it. Hands in wet curls is basically self-sabotage. Problem number 4, frizz by day 2. I've styled my hair today, tomorrow it's done. What was the point? So many hours doing my hair and now this? Was it worth it? Day 1, I'm the main character. Day 2, I'm a background extra. Solutions. Sleep with a satin or silk bonnet and pillowcase. Use a light refresh, water and a leave-in. Okay, if the product doesn't have stronghold gel and needs refreshing every day, light. When I say light, don't spray the whole bottle, and don't over oil. Sometimes you're trying to break the cast so much that you create frizz. I've been there. Too much oil will have your curls looking emotionally unavailable. Problem number 5, no definition. Why will my curls not define? How come your curls look defined and mine don't? Because my afro's rocking it today. If your curls are giving undefined situationship, listen up. Style in small sections. Use brush styling or finger coiling. It needs a bit extra. Do curl training. Layer the cream and gel properly. So big sections equals big disappointment. Unless you want some 90s look, like how we used to slap everything on and just do it like the whole kind of thing. And wait till you see problem number 12. I was personally offended. I'm gonna go through these next ones quick, so listen up. Problem 6, using too much product. You can actually weigh those curls down when you add too much of the product. Start small and then build up. If you need more, then add more. Problem 7, skipping deep conditioning. Weekly deep conditioning is the start line. Your curls are thirsty and you're giving them vibes. Problem number 8, not clarifying. Clarify every 3 to 5 weeks. You don't need to clarify every week, but every 3 to 5 weeks is a must. Problem number 9, rough towel drying. Are you still using those cotton towels? Stop it. Get a microfiber towel or use a cotton t-shirt to dry your hair after you get out of the shower. Problem 10, over manipulating your hair. Set it and leave it alone. Don't do 101 hairstyles all week or all the time. Let your hair have a break. This actually helps with hair growth. Problem 11, wrong styling order. How do you actually put your products in? Start with the leave-in, then add the cream, then add the gel. Don't do it the other way around. Problem number 12. Okay, this one. I know some of you are still doing this. Sleeping with your hair loose on cotton pillowcases? Dun dun dun. Sleeping with your hair loose. Loose. Not even tying it up on a cotton pillowcase? Come on, you know better. Satin bonnet is required, yes? Satin pillowcase is even better. And pineapple method. Did you forget how to do those? Cotton pillowcases are silent curl killers. Problem 13. Are you washing your hair too much? This actually is a problem. Your hair needs time for its oils to move from your root along the shafts of your hair to the tips. Are you ending up with dry ends? That's because you're probably washing your hair way too much. Do you wash it every day? Some people do that. I wash mine once a week. So try. Obviously, not everyone can do that, and I understand people with my type of hair, we can go longer. But people with straighter hair, the oil goes down the hair quicker, which makes the hair oily. And then you feel like it needs a clean, so it feels dirty. Whereas us, our hair is so dry, for the oil to actually get to the tips, it takes a while. And that's okay. You need to wash it every 2 days. Try and push it to every 3 days. You know what I mean? Just do a little or whatever works for you and watch the magic happen. Problem number 14. Are you using products that still have silicone and sulfate? Especially if you are transitioning, like starting your curly hair journey, this is vital. Your curls actually need to find themselves. But when we add silicones, we're putting a layer of plastic pretty much and blocking products getting in, causing product buildup. All this stuff. Try to stay away from silicones and sulfates. If you can't stay away from sulfates, at least stay away from silicones. Problem number 15. Why are you so scared of trying new products? Stop using the same product all the time. Your hair needs different things at different times of the year. Winter will be different to summer. Humidity, everything comes into play. So try different products. Honestly, stop using the same things you've been using from day dot. If you want part 2, where I test viral curly hair hacks, you already know what to do. Thanks so much for watching Curls by Sharlene. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? And why not hit that bell button so you're notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching Curls by Sharlene, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.
2,000 years later.
Move to the shop. Move. So can you hear the person outside cutting trees? Can you hear this?